allow me fixing everything, and because there is always something to fix, today's repair is making from the two phones one. This phone, the screen is cracked, and on this phone the camera is not working. So if we open the phone and we go into the camera, it will not work. We'll just check this one here. It does work. You can see. Yeah, can you see? You can, yeah. And here on this one, when you open the phone, camera does not work. No camera. So I will dismantle both phones. This is you'll see in the title what type of phone it is. I will take the boards apart, the phones apart, and we'll proceed further. Okay, I'll show you now. There will be no sound in the video, but I'll show you what I do to take the board out. So I could not talk, but I removed the screws you saw, and now I'm about to remove the cameras onto here. Not that it's absolutely needed, because you can perfectly take the board without it, but it's just easier to pull it out the first time. After that, it doesn't matter that much anyway. Good. Pop out the two cameras. One's here. And now good. Now I extract the two camera modules. This one on this side. And this one on this side. Like that. Okay. Look for water damage, I can't see any. Right. Clip in all the connectors. This one does not click that well, maybe because it's aftermarket part. And what? Can we give it a test? Should be able to give it a test. So the screen starts fine. We got a date. And no camera. Oh. Okay. Where is the camera? How can I raise the brightness? Maximum brightness, yes. It is working. Can you see? Lovely result. Okay. And this one is working as well. Good. Okay. I'll put it back together, the whole thing now. Let's switch it off. And that's how you switch it off, or how do you switch off that phone? I don't know. I'll just pull out the battery from here. There we go, just like that. Now. Let's replace the battery as well. Okay, to remove on this battery on this Note 6, it's should be easy. This one, it's already been replaced once. So I'm taking it on the wrong. Can you see the lip here? Yeah. You see? and squeezing. There we go. Just like that. Removed. And now let's remove one original one, because I want to use the original one as a replacement for that second hand one. If you have a flat spatula or something, it's even better, but no. Tools are important, yeah. Okay, this is okay. And this battery is almost full as well, which is not the greatest thing. There we go. Oh, there is tabs to pull them. Did I not see them? Oh, I am so... Anyway. This one, there was no tabs on this one. Anyway, I didn't not see them. Anyway. Shame, really shame. I hope you watched till the end so you can see what I meant. Anyway. Now we can just put the new one in. Or like that, yeah. This was the battery replacement. Good. Four black screws. And there is no way to replace the buttons without damaging the back cover. So what I'm going to do, take the screws here, put them in, and there was one screw missing onto this plate. like this. So this one, after we put in this thing, so just make sure it's clean. It is clean. I hope that because it's Chinese phone, it doesn't need to be reprogrammed. I think on the iPhone you can't reuse the fingerprint sensor, can you? I don't think you can. So I hope here there is no such thing. Okay, the connector here. Good. And battery. Oh, I yanked it. Let's try to put it on. Good. SIM cards go in. What is the correct side for them to go in? Like this, or? I can maybe see. Maybe we can have a look. So if this one sits like that, they need to be. If this one sits like this, like that then. Okay, no problem. And meanwhile, I'll start assembling this one. So the owner can use it as a spare part if needed someday or one day or whatever. So it does work. And there is buttons that work as well. Perfect. This one, can you switch the phone off? Switch it off. Perfect. That's it. Well, I really hope this video has been helpful to you in some way. We didn't throw a phone to the garbage, which is also a good thing to do. And I hope you have a really nice day. I'll see you on to the next one. Bye bye.